Lori is at a clothes store. She finds a dress she loves. But Alex says something, and Lori has to start again. What does Alex say? Follow Lori and Alex to the store to find out.
Wow, this store is so big. Let's look around.
What are you looking for today?
I want a new dress. I want something nice for the weekend.
Do you know where the dresses are?
No, let's ask someone. Excuse me, where are the dresses?
They are at the back of the store. Here we are. The dresses are on this side.
Oh, I like this one. Can I have a look?
Of course, here you go.
It looks great. What size are you?
I'm a small. Do you have it in a small, please?
Yes, we do. Let me get that for you.
Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you.
It's a nice dress. But I think you have something like this at home.
No, I don't think so. Let me try it on first.
Remember, do you have it in a small, please? Alex is not sure, but Lori wants to try the dress anyway. Listen to what happens.
It's a little too tight. I need a bigger size. Let me go and ask.
How was it?
It was too tight. I need a medium.
Okay, let's go and ask.
Excuse me, do you have this in a medium?
Yes, let me get that for you. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll try it on now. This one fits perfectly. I love it.
It looks really good on you.
I think I'll get this one.
Wait, Lori, I think you have a red dress at home. A similar one.
No, I don't think so.
Wait, look at this photo on my phone. This is you at my birthday party.
Oh, that dress!
It's red, and it looks very similar to this one.
You're right. I forgot about that dress.
Remember, it's a little too tight. Lori doesn't want another red dress. Listen to what she asks.
Excuse me, is this dress available in yellow?
Let me check for you. I'm sorry. We don't have this dress in yellow.
Oh no, is it available in any other store?
Let me check. One moment, please. I'm sorry. We don't have it in yellow in any of our stores.
That's too bad. I really like this dress.
I know, but maybe we can find something similar.
I really wanted the yellow one.
But we have a similar dress in the store. Can I show you?
Yes, please.
Here it is. It comes in yellow, red, and black.
Oh, I really like this one. The style is very nice.
I think the yellow one looks great.
Can I try it on in yellow?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Remember, is it available in any other store? Lori is in the fitting room with the yellow dress. Listen to what she thinks.
Let me try this on. Oh, this fits really well. And I love the color. This is perfect for the weekend.
How is it?
It fits perfectly. Come and see.
Wow, It looks really nice on you.
I love it. I think this is the one.
Good choice. Yellow looks great on you.
Excuse me, do you have it in any other color?
Yes, we also have it in red and black.
I don't like black very much. And red is similar to my dress at home. I'll take the yellow one. How much is it?
It is $60.
$60. Alex, what do you think? It is expensive.
I think it is a good price for this dress.
Really? You think so?
Yes, the quality is very good. This fabric feels very soft.
It is nice fabric and it feels very comfortable.
And you look really great in it.
That's true. I really do love it.
I think it is worth it, Lori.
Okay, you're right. Let's go and pay.
Remember, do you have it in any other color? Lori goes to pay. Listen to what happens at the counter.
I want to buy this dress, please.
Of course. Let me scan it for you. Your total is $54.
Wait, I thought it was $60.
This dress has a 10% discount today.
Oh, that's a nice surprise.
That's great. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can pay by card here.
Okay, that's done.
Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a good day. I got a new dress and a discount. This is a good day.
I think so too. That's the end of today's video. Today, Lori and Alex went shopping for a dress. Do you remember our question from the start? After Lori finds a dress she loves, Alex says something, and she has to start again. What does Alex say? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read and reply to every comment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy English videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.